Let's make a deal, rubble still skin. She wanna see my purple pickle up in the wind. Okay. Shark cut us off, bitch, get it.
You just exploded it.
No, we're doing GFUEL opening. I can't. Hey guys, and we are now trying GFUEL. Let's open
Let's get it.
We got the
Hey, I'll open it. I have big nails, bro.
Yeah, you're gonna have to open. Oh wait. We have not opened this yet.
It's Faze Rug GFUEL, guys.
Chug
I have the
ride.
holy water right here.
Fun ton. Oh, there you go.
Got in it.
Lick that baby open.
All right.
Yeah, there's a little cup there.
Oh my god. It's just like cotton candy.
It smells like blue eyes.
Oh, that smells good. Dude, this is just mirror. It smells like the
It smells like cotton candy
Shake it
to
to the
me.
thing.
What is it called?
Because there's a thing in there.
What's the thing you were talking
Let's
about?
just want to go
yesterday?
down there and try to grab it.
Oh my god, this thing's deep in there.
Just try it. Put it in your mouth and try it.
No, I'm not doing
All right.
It looks like a hammer.
that. Hammer and
Thor's hammer.
This is dirty. It's not dirty, just get that there.
Ah, eat the dust. Ah.
Kiss the bill.
Dude,
Put it all the way up, but that's not good.
you just exploded it. Shayla's our waiting.
Why is it so hard?
Oh.
I'm gonna mix it with this one so you don't care. Whoa.
That actually looks good.
Oh my god. You give me a spoon off. I told you.
Dude, that actually. Oh my gosh, that's so good.
Okay, you want me to stir? Or?
Oh my, no, yeah, I think it's good. But maybe you want to stir, but it's good.
Oh, it's not bad. I don't think we shaked it well.
Well, I'm so hyped.
I don't think add more water. No, I think we.
It's not stirred well. When I had a little bit of it.
I think we need to add more. It tastes weird.
I just stirred it well.
Actually,
It's not bad.
It's good, but
It's
like,
like good. It's good.
Faze Rug. I'm kidding.
I've been a fan of him for a long time.
It's the flavor.
Whoa.
It doesn't have that little.
So. I like it regardless.
Yeah, I like it.
It's sugar free too.
Yeah.
I guess you say I like it regardless. As the hype it, like everybody was hyping it, I didn't think it was.
Okay, give it a rating.
Out of 10, probably. This is the first one I've had, GFUEL. So probably like a 7.5.
Oh my god! 8.
Yeah, 7.5, 8. One of those.
Yeah, 7.5.
8.5, something like that.
Hey, Rug, if you keep making GFUEL, bro, it's gonna get better.
It was at this moment that he knew.
It's actually
He
good.
fucked up.
Just like funded, like the funded stuff.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I forgot the name for it.
That's what I said last night. So yeah, here, if y'all want to go buy off Amazon, how much is it?
$30.
It's like $30 for 40 servings. So you just grab the spoon and put it in.
That's it.
That's pretty much it. But
Alright.
yeah,
Alright.
hey, it's good. It's just.
Alright, so our channel links will be in the description. Subscribe to Sergeant Clan, and we're taking over 2K19.
All right. Goodbye.